Mini cheeseburgers. Look at that. Easy. So, hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. So, 4 days ago, my daughter asked me to prepare some mini burgers, and so here we are. Look, I got some spices, meat, mustard, and just mixing it. Yeah, now we're gonna do our patties. Just quite easy, and some of the patties will be wrapped in bacon, and some of them are for my daughter without bacon as she doesn't like. So just like that, look, very easy with your patty maker. So, and now we got, with half a kilo, we got 7 mini patties. Yep, just like that. There we are. As I mentioned, I'm gonna wrap 4 of them, some 2 bacon, and just trying to cover it all with the bacon. Yeah, all the sides. Yeah, just look, it got the shape, and there we go. So look at this trick. If you wanna fry something at home and you wanna avoid a little bit of the messy of oil frying, so I got a baking paper, and I just place it on the pan, and without any oil, without anything, I am putting my patties, and with its own oil will be fried. So in the meantime, we're gonna cut our buns and just place it on a oven tray, just like that. I'm making 7 of them, and now have a look on the patties. Yeah, how easy they get fried with the oil from itself, and less messy for cleaning our kitchen. Yeah, just like that. Look, it, of course there are some oil spots, it's normal, but there is not that messy like with a regular way of making the patties. You can use that also for fish or for any other meat. So with our buns, we're gonna put the bottom some cheese. After the cheese, we are gonna top it with our patties, and then some cheese to finish it up. Yeah, and some of them will have some pickle, and some of them without pickle. So I hope you like it. If you are so far to here, just subscribe to the channel, hit the thumb up button if you do like the channel and the video, and just enjoy cooking. Yeah, so thank you very much, and I'll catch you up in the next video. I just forgot small step. Melted butter with a little bit of garlic to paint our burgers before placing them on the preheated oven at 180 degrees just for about around 5 minutes until the cheese get melted as well. So I hope you like it. As I mentioned, take care and have a nice journey.